What if a single small machine could turn your home into a steady income source? In this video, I'll show you 10 easy-to-import Chinese machines that are already making money for beginners. Don't skip. One idea might be perfect for you. Machine number 1. Automatic Puff Snack Making Machine. This machine is used to make puffed snacks, the kind you see sold on streets, in small shops, and near schools. It takes raw grains like corn or rice and turns them into ready-to-eat puff snacks in minutes. The biggest benefit here is mass demand. Puff snacks are affordable, loved by all ages, and sell fast. Compared to many food machines, this one is simple to operate and doesn't need complex skills. That makes it perfect for home use and quick daily sales. But what if people want more than just snacks? Something used every single day, not just a treat? The next machine solves that problem in a surprisingly simple way. Machine number 2. Mini Paper Cup Manufacturing Machine. This machine makes disposable paper cups used for tea, coffee, water, and juice. From small stalls to offices, these cups are used every single day. The strength of this business is repeat buyers. Once a shop buys from you, they keep coming back. Paper cups are also replacing plastic in many areas, which makes this machine more future-proof than others. It's steady, predictable, and easy to scale. Paper cups are everywhere, but what about liquids that need precise handling? Imagine trying to sell sauces or oils without the right setup. Could you manage? The next machine makes it effortless. Machine number 3. Small Liquid Filling and Sealing Machine. This machine fills liquids into bottles or pouches and seals them properly. It works for cooking oil, sauces, cosmetics, liquid soap, and even hand sanitizers. The advantage is flexibility. One machine can serve many industries. Compared to manual filling, it saves time, reduces waste, and looks more professional. That helps you supply small brands, local sellers, or even launch your own product line. Filling liquids is great, but what about products used in every home for spiritual and cultural purposes? A high-demand item that never really goes out of style. Let's see how the next machine handles that. Machine number 4. Semi-Automatic Incense Stick Machine. This machine is used to make incense sticks used in homes, temples, and religious places. It shapes the sticks evenly and faster than hand rolling. The key benefit is low raw material cost. Demand stays strong because incense is used daily in many cultures. Compared to trendy products, this business is stable and less risky. It's ideal for people who want consistent demand without constant marketing. Incense sticks sell steadily, but what about products people crave daily for refreshment and enjoyment? Something simple, fast, and cash-generating? The next machine makes it almost instant. Machine number 5. Portable Ice Cube Making Machine. This machine produces ice cubes or ice balls for drinks and cooling purposes. It's commonly used by cafes, juice shops, event planners, and restaurants. Ice is a fast-moving product, especially in summer. The benefit here is daily cash flow. Unlike many machines, production and sales can happen the same day. It's simple, seasonal, and very easy to understand for beginners. Ice sells fast, but events and food services need more than just cold drinks. What if you could provide disposable, essential items that businesses actually depend on? The next machine steps in perfectly. Machine number 6. Mini Disposable Plate and Bowl Making Machine. This machine makes disposable plates and bowls, often from paper or eco-friendly materials. Disposable tableware is useful, but what if you wanted a machine that adds creativity and personal touch? Something people are willing to pay extra for because it's unique. The next machine opens that door. Machine number 7. Desktop Laser Engraving Machine. This machine engraves names, logos, or designs on wood, metal, leather, and acrylic. It's used for custom gifts, branding items, and packaging. The strength of this machine is customization. People pay more for personalized products. Compared to mass production, this machine allows higher margins with small volumes. Custom products are profitable, but food businesses never go out of style. Think about supplying fresh, consistent staples that restaurants and shops rely on daily. Machine number 8. automatic noodle or pasta making machine. This machine produces fresh noodles or pasta in consistent shapes and sizes. Restaurants, food stalls, and wholesalers all need these products. The benefit here is B2B demand. Instead of selling to individuals, you supply businesses. That means larger orders and long-term clients. What if you could produce something that households can't live without, almost guaranteeing regular sales? The next machine is exactly that. Machine number 9, small soap and detergent cake making machine. This machine is used to make soap bars and detergent cakes for cleaning purposes. These are everyday products used in every household. The biggest advantage is daily necessity. People may delay buying snacks, but not soap. Local markets absorb these products easily. Compared to branded competition, small producers can win on price and local trust. The next machine turns a common problem into a business opportunity you won't want to miss. Machine number 10, mini plastic recycling and pellet machine. This machine turns plastic waste into reusable plastic pellets. Those pellets are then sold to manufacturers. The power of this business is the waste-to-profit model. Raw material is cheap or even free. It also solves a real environmental problem. Compared to many machines, this one creates value from something others throw away. From tasty snacks to eco-friendly solutions, there's something here for every skill and space. Now it's your turn to decide which machine fits your style, budget, and goals. Take action today, because every day you wait is a day someone else is already making money with these ideas. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me bring you more practical business ideas. And before you go, click on the video on your screen now to watch another video. See you there.